All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards. Get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip network at 365%, 1% a day, every single day. The coin is down right this second. It's a great time to get into the drip because it could work out in your favor later. All right, today we're talking about Tectonic. Tectonic is starting to be talked about more or just as much as Shiba Inu. So what's going on with Tectonic? We're going to go to their website. We're going to go to their Twitter. We're going to do a little price prediction at the end. Also going to go over to gas prices in the United States. What's going on with that? I got a chart that shows you all the different gas prices. We'll probably pick 10 different states and check that out. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. As you can see in my background, we're still in Hawaii. We're having a great time out here on my cryptocurrency vacation, basically. I took some of my profits and some of my money from my notes, put it all together, brought the family out here to Hawaii. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, over here, coin market cap, Tectonic is 32.15. It is down 12% right now. Ding, ding, ding. Could be a discount buy. Did bounce back about 2% in 24 hours, so it's only down about 10%. So I like discount buys when they're 12, 15, 20%. Click in the coin. Over here to the right, it's actually up today in the last 24 hours, up about 2%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 73.11. We'll do a price prediction when we're all done here. Yep, right here, this is what it looks like in the last 24 hours. It's going up, 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 which is fantastic. So we are on an upward trend in today, I guess I would say. But in the last 7 days, we're actually on the down. If you take a look at the chart here, here's the interesting thing on the 7, what's it called? Right here is that upwards we're looking at right now. But if we look at the whole scheme of things from the last 7 days, it was way, way up here. So this is where it's down right now in the last 7 days. So could be a good discount buy, but it is rallying back to actually bounce back today, which is fantastic. One of the things I wanted to talk about is Tectonic staking. Well, what is Tectonic staking? Tonic staking is an upcoming feature of Tectonic, allowing Tonic holders to deposit their tokens in their Tonic staking modes in return for yield rewards. Here's the general idea. Stakeholders receive rewards, including a share of the protocol revenue generated by the fees paid by the borrowers. Tonic stakers will derive further utilities for the Tonic token. It seeks to align incentives with the long-term believers of the protocol and belief of the token holders. Other use for the Tonic includes acting as a community insurance if shortfalls event occurs, and will eventually be used to vote on Tectonic government proposals. Staking is a standalone feature and not the same thing as Tonic money market. Tonic staking will initially launch with staking rewards and other use cases, community insurance and governance. Now, we're going to run over to their Twitter real quick. Over here at their Twitter, right here, this is not quite a month old. Dual rewards, VVS and Tonic. Now, I talk a lot about VVS finance on this channel. VVS stands for very, very, very simple. But if you do VVS Phonics and Tonic on Crystal Farms, here's what it says. Stake your VVS and your Tonic LPs to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. What's better, and it says right here, what's better than being rewarded with 1 token in Crystal Farms? You got it. How about being rewarded with 2? So again, with the gas prices being so high and food prices being so high, you're kind of looking for that advantage and that edge, what you can do to kind of get ahead. Well, if you stake both these tokens, you're going to get rewards in both of them. Multiple rewards are here. So I just thought that was very, very big, that you literally can stake your VVS and your Tonic and receive both tokens, which is fantastic. Tonic staking airdrop announcement. We're excited to announce that the Tonic staking is live. We were just talking about that. Go to Tonic staking page and stake your Tonic right away. There's a step-by-step guide. You can actually, right here, right on the Twitter account, go to their Twitter account, click it, and right here you can actually basically learn all the different things you need to know. This video, I'm not going to go into that completely because we're covering a couple different things. Over to the website. All right, Tectonic's website. Tectonic is a shift in lending and borrowing. So if you're looking to lend your money or you're looking to borrow your money, Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning, and here's the key word we always hear, passive income. Let's blow this up. What do you earn? Passive income. and access to the back loan. So you can actually make money with Tectonic by lending and borrowing. It says generate passive yields on your assets. Now this one's interesting. Crypto assets deposited into Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rates according to the market demand. Earnings are available immediately with no lockups. Over here, instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity. Now here's the key word right here for your idle crypto assets. So if you're there's a lot of people that like to buy the coin and shoot to the moon. That's what they're hoping for. And your crypto is just idle. You know, it's just kind of sitting there. You look at it every day. Oh, it's down 3%. Oh, it's down 4 more percent. Oh, it's down. Oh, it's down 30 days in a row. That would be idle crypto. Take your idle crypto, throw it into Tectonic, start making some rewards and some passive income with Tectonic. Right here, Tectonic price prediction in depth. Kind of go over a couple things in this article. It's actually pretty good. Tectonic overview. Tectonic Crypto has an option to shield 1-0 from its cost towarding the beginning of January. And January 1st, Tonic was exchanging at, and there's all these 86.5, and there's a lot of zeros. Nevertheless, the extreme following day. Now here's the interesting thing. If you have about $710, you could actually buy 1 billion Tectonic Crypto tokens, as assuming at any point you will need a billion of something. So if you need a billion of something, take $710, get yourself a billion Tectonics. Here's your opportunity. I want to go over the Shiba Inu thing here. Right here, Tectonic is a significant rival of now the one-time Shiba Inu, which has been battling to keep itself more, and it's got the price right here. It's always hard when you got all these different zeros to talk about over the last 30 days. Taking a gander at the investment level of the most in the recent 7 days, Tectonic Crypto has been more talked about than Shiba Inu. Did you see that? Tectonic has been more talked about than Shiba Inu. Everybody's looking for the new Shiba, and this token is talked about more than Shiba. Ding, ding, ding. May want to. Do you want to get a billion of these for about $710? Maybe. On an off chance that the platform follower Tectonic might be headed to surpass Shiba Inu. Again, Tectonic Crypto might be heading to surpass Shiba Inu. So give us your thoughts on the bottom. Tectonic is talked about more than Shiba. People like to claim what's going to be the next Shiba Inu. I just read it to you. This token, Tectonic, $710-ish, you can get a billion of them. And then you can stake them in the VVS and the Tonic pool, and you get double rewards. All kinds of good stuff going on. All right, what about gas prices in the U.S.? Some places are $4, some places are $5, some places are $6. Diesel's up right now. Let's head over to the, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head over to gas prices. Right here, this is AAA gas prices. It's saying that today's natural average is $4.32, but it actually has some of the highest and some of the lowest. Take a look. California right here, $5.73. A lot of things are in $4. Alaska, $4.72. Alabama, $4.15. Delaware, $4.23. Now here's a good one. Iowa is under $4. Now again, up here, this is regular gas. There's mid gas, there's premium, and there's diesel. I'm just kind of looking at regular. Obviously, if you see $3.92, if you buy the better grade of gas, it's a little bit more. If you buy the better grade of gas of that, it's a little bit more. And if you buy the diesel, it's actually even higher. So far, Iowa may have the best gas prices in the country. A lot of $4, a lot of $4. Oh, look at Minnesota, $3.90. Missouri is $3.84. So, okay. Not that anybody is happy about the gas being $3.90 when it was $2.50 about a month and a half ago. But taking a look here, all the different things, we're in the W's. So the highest gas prices in the country, you got it, California. 3 reasons why gas prices are so high and when might they come down. Our gas prices are hitting records almost daily, causing financial pain at the pump for millions of Americans. But it's also spurring questions about why fuel is so expensive and who is to blame. Consumers are wondering when this might get some relief. Here's what they're saying. With this gas prices being higher, it could actually add an additional $2,000 to the budget to a family's bottom line. Problem with that is people are on a budget. People are living paycheck to paycheck, some of them, and all of a sudden you have to pay $2,000 more. Where are they going to get this money from? It says right here, suddenly the fuel prices are a major topic of all discussions with family budgeting for higher gas costs and cutting spending in other areas. Some Americans are already driving less due to the higher gas prices, 1 in 3 Americans or 1 in 3 adults have reduced their car usage last month, with most blaming gas pump sticker shock, according to the Morning Consulting. So how did we get here? Well, the COVID-19 pandemic was part of the help, and with the Russian war and Ukraine pushing prices higher in the recent weeks, it's going to be harder and harder. The overall aspect of the supply-demand have changed, and here's 3 reasons. Post-pandemic gas prices, and what they're saying is one of them. Cuts in oil production is a second thing. And the U.S. sanction on Russia's impact global market. So here's some tips from Frank's Crypto Corner. Got my hairs blown all around. Sorry, everybody. It is what it is. Sorry about that. All right, here's some ideas what you can do. Buddy up with a few friends. If you work at the same job, you know everybody there. There's probably somebody who lives in the same city as you within 5 or 10 minutes. You may want to carpool. I mean, I know this is kind of like, really? But you do. If you have 2 people, one of you drive 1 week, the other one drives the next week. That means you're only driving 2 out of the 4 weeks. You're saving your trip to the actual work, for 2 weeks. Another thing, getting groceries. You're going to have to make a list of everything, and you have to get it all at one time. You may have to actually buy groceries for 2 weeks or 10 days instead of every 3 days. You go to the grocery store, you go run your little errands, you do all your different things. You may have to change your pattern. Also, a lot of places have curbside that they actually drop the groceries off at your house. You can order online. These technologies that are available may have to come into play with the gas prices. The other thing is, this is a crypto channel. Get some passive income. Get some crypto passive income. Now, I know that that's not going to help the gas prices, but if you started making an extra $500 a month in crypto projects, that's probably going to make up about what you're spending in gas. So if you can make $500 in a crypto project, maybe 3 or 4 months later, you can actually turn that $500 crypto project into $800 and then into $1,800. I know you're on this channel for cryptocurrency tips, but the gas prices is a major thing right now. We may have to, here's some 2 jokes for you. You may have to start riding the horse up to the store. So take the horse out of the shed and use the horse instead of actually your car. And the other thing is, people were saying if we're about $1 away from calling into work saying, hey, I'm out of gas, I can't come in. I know it's tough, everybody. Gas is going to be tough. I don't think it's getting better anytime soon. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic for some price prediction and check out what's going on. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, back over to the website of Tectonic. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. They have audited smart contracts with slow miss. Insurance fund is coming soon. And open source. Open source are among the funding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. Here's some frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn, here we go, guys, earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in your assets. Those idle cryptos, you can put it in there and use that. Also, funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may also have a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. So that's another thing that Tectonic does. And the last, Tectonic is a protocol token with 2 key uses, governance and staking into the community insurance pool. Secure the protocol and earn more rewards. And earning rewards could offset the gas prices. I know what you're thinking. You want to make $500 or $600 more, and all you're going to do is give that to the gas. Well, the point of the matter is, it's like you have to have some type of a strategy to what you're going to do here. All right, back over here at the website, coin market. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 73.1. My price prediction is this is going to go to 88.31. It's going to go up a little bit. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. Do your own homework. All right, so Tectonic, this keeps starting to be talked about more than Shiba Inu. I'm telling you, people are always looking for the next Shiba Inu. You can get roughly a billion Tectonics for around $710. That's pretty cool, everybody. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here so you can learn about Drip Network, get 1% back, 365% of your initial investment. All right, everybody, gas prices are making everybody sad. Cryptocurrency could be the hero in the situation. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. See you a little bit later.